Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see from the title below, this video is going to be about how to launch your remote online notarization business in just 45 days. Yes, all it's going to take is 45 days for you to be able to start that business in 2026. I'm going to talk to you week by week on this video in reference to the things that you need to do in order to be able to start getting compliant and start that remote online notarization journey. So let's get started. Your first week, dig into what a remote online notary is. This channel is going to give you all types of tips and information in reference to how to become a remote online notary. A remote notary is just someone that actually notarizes documents remotely, digitally, with technology. This is something that can be done from the comfort of your home. The second thing you need to do for the first week is start the training. Look at your Secretary of State. See what it's going to take in order for you to become a remote online notary. See whether or not you're actually allowed to do remote online notarizations in your state. And if so, apply to get authorized. Get all of the necessary applications and training done through your state in order to be able to start notarizing documents. That's week one. Week two, start looking into platforms. Now, I know a lot of new remote notaries are confused about what platforms are going to be compliant. Where there's several platforms. Notarize is a platform, Cyberize is a platform, Blue Notary is a platform. But in order to know whether or not your clients are going to be compliant on these sites, you have to be able to ask those questions. You have to get a certificate. This is a certificate of security. Because you're not sitting right in front of everyone, you're going to need to be able to be certified to do closings online. So you're going to need a certificate with security and a digital stamp. These are two things that you're going to need in order to be able to notarize documents remotely. You can start with IdenTrust and see where else you need to go in order to be able to get those necessary steps. Week three, start your branding process. Become an actual business. Build a website. Begin to start looking at what it's going to take to market yourself. Looking in the pricing, which is something this channel and my course will be able to help you walk through. Scheduling. Being able to know exactly how to set up your schedule for remote online notarizations. Week four, start working. Marketing your services. Start reaching out to friends and family. You're a remote notary now, so let everyone know that you can notarize documents online. Join directories. Join networking events. Signing services. My National Signing Service does employ remote online notaries. So start looking into signing services. Escrow and title offices. These are just some of the areas where you'll be able to market your business. And in just 45 days, that's it. That's how long it's going to take for you to launch this business. If you still have questions, if you're still not sure of exactly what I need to do, I need some additional help, please make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. We're going to go through all of the necessary tips and tricks of how to become a remote online notary. We also have a remote online notary course. Take a look at the link below. If you're wanting to really start this journey and get the education that you need, the course will walk you through step by step of exactly how to get started as a remote online notary. Let's take the first steps to start your remote online notary business in 2026, and let's get to making that income.